Mag-hike kami today. Let's go. Oh, there's a trout here. There's a lot of square on the other place too. There's a lot of square. It's a nice morning. Happy Monday. It's time to hike. 3 hours walk. 3 hours. 3 hours hike. I think it's gonna be 6 hours. It's gonna be 6 hours. Cause it's just we're still in the start, but it takes us 10 minutes already. We're still here. Oh no. Nagkukulay orange na yung leaves. It's falling.
How do you know? I wonder. How do you know?
Dahan-dahan. Baka dumiretso sa ilog. O diba? Kung ano-ano ang inaano niya. Kinukuhanan ng picture. Ay, nako. Pag namali ka ng step dito, gulong-gulong ka. Tabi-tabi po. Ayos. Malinis. Masarap mag-hike kasi hindi mainit. Malamig na. Maganda na ang panahon. Diba? Nice. It's a beautiful day. Malamig siya. Malamig. Carry in, carry out area. Oh, nice. River talaga. Sumisilip ang araw. Pati ulo niya sumilip. Sumisilip ang araw doon. Be careful! Nasaan na yun? Ay talagang pumunta pa siya doon. Kagaling. Pumunta pa talaga siya doon. Napakagaling. Ayos yan. Nasaan na yun? Ang galing, di ba? Ay, abuti kami dito na 10 oras. Malayo-layo pa to. 3 hours pa to. Pababa. Dito na kami. Hindi ko alam kung nasa kalagitnaan na ba kami ng trail na to. Or ewan. Pababa na siya. Kanina pataas eh. Ngayon pababa naman. Okay. Ano ba yan? Tignan mo yung suot yung sapatos. Sneakers. Pang walking ko to eh. At pala sinot ko yung hiking shoes ko. Pinalitan kasi ni David yung train na pupuntahan namin. Sarado pala. Hindi chine-check. Sarado pala ng Monday. My God. So, kaming dalawa lang ang naglalakad dito. Napakagaling. Walang katao-tao. Solo namin ng trail na to. Oh, look at that. I'm gonna stay here. It's coming, right? Nakaka-relax yung tunog ng river. May playground sa kalagitnaan ng bundok. Sinong bata maglalaro dito? Sinong maglalaro dyan? Mag-hike ka muna ng napakataas bago ka makapaglaro dyan sa playground na yan. Grabe. Asan na yung isang kasama ko? Ayan. Picture, picture. Ay, pagod na ako. Pagod na ako. Dito na kami. Tapos na kami. Ito na yung end ng trail na to. Nakabalik na kami sa simula. Hi. How many hours? 2 hours walk. Very good. 2 hours walk. Dito na kami. Ay. Okay, pauwi na kami. Tapos na kami sa hike. Sa hike na yan. Pauwi na kami. Supposed to be dapat 2 trail ang pupuntahan namin. Pero naging isa na lang. Kasi yung isa dyan, he did not check the place before he go there. Sarado pala ng Monday. It's closed, so
he's gonna go tomorrow by himself.
you're not allowed. Who said you're allowed to go by yourself?
I'm not allowed.
You're not allowed. You know what's the reason.
What is another reason?
Careful. There's someone walking.
What is another reason?
Okay, we're on our way home.
What is
Bye.